Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George from the Rambler, and today we're in Mazatlan, and we're gonna go look at a hidden gem, Stone Island.
Yeah, we're here at Mazatlan on Stone Island. How exciting can that be?
And we'd love to have you join us.
Sailing a 7-night Mexican Riviera cruise, on the Carnival Panorama, we're heading to Mazatlan for a day of relaxation and of course beach going. We're going to go ahead and set up a DIY onshore excursion to Stone Island. This excursion will not break the bank and will be under $20 per person. Now to get this excursion going, we had to disembark the boat, and here we go, ready to enjoy a day of fun-filled excitement here in Mazatlan. Thanks Carnival for getting us here. In Mazatlan, you have to take these trams to get out of the industrial port.
We're on the trolley headed over to Mazatlan. We're going to Stone Island.
Today we're skipping the crowds by heading off to Mazatlan's best kept secret, Stone Island. White sand, fresh seafood, and no stress. Hey, let's go. The cruise ship docks at a commercial port amidst all these cargo ships and containers. Now this is a free tram that will take you to the cruise terminal where you're going to go ahead and find those taxi cabs and a few vendors to shop at. You're not going to find a whole lot of souvenir stores on Stone Island. You might find a few people walking around selling some trinkets, but this area will be a major part of souvenir shopping unless you're heading over to Old Town or the Mazatlán after your visit to Stone Island. So take advantage of it. There's some pretty cool stuff here and plenty to see. Walking through this gauntlet of variety stores, you just may be tempted to buy something at this point, but I'm going to give you a little hack. Buy it when you get back so you don't have to carry it around Mazatlan all day long. Did you hear that, Terry? I mean, wait till we come back. Now, if you've never been to Mazatlan, cruise port can be a little bit overwhelming, as you can see. But don't worry, as we get past all these vendors, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly where to go to get to Stone Island without any hassle and a fairly inexpensive price. Let's go ahead and cross the street here at this port entrance to Oxxo. It's a 7-Eleven type of store in which you can buy some snacks to take with us, and of course, I need a Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper, the breakfast of champions.
Hey, can I tell you something stupid about Oxxo?
Okay, tell me something stupid about Oxxo.
I built one in Planet Coaster because I thought my Mexican water park needed an Oxxo nearby.
Well, you need Oxxos. They're on every street corner and then in between,
You
too.
needed to be able to buy your Dr. Pepper there.
Let's go ahead and walk down to a nearby water taxi that will take us over to Stone Island.
So Stone Island, from the port gate down to the ferry, it's about a half-mile walk.
Now Google Map had it down to a 9-minute journey, following the cruise port, down to this wonderful ferry, what they call the water taxi.
We're just going to walk down ourselves, maybe save a few pesos. Down here, you just smell that industrial smell of trucks running back and forth, a lot of diesel smell. You can see it's a well-driven path.
I guess if you live in the area, you'd have to get used to those air brakes. You can see a lot of people are walking down here, so it's just not us. So we're not by ourselves. There's dock workers as you walk down the street here. So when you hit the end of the port, the entranceway, and we got a lot of people coming in. See right here, there's the ferry, and we just need to get down to the ferry.
Hi, babies.
Uh-oh, here comes the chickens. They think you're gonna feed them. So how long do you think it took us to get here?
Less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, less than 10-minute walk. So you can pay for a taxi to bring you down here, just like this taxi right here is leaving. And we have to catch the next one. You see people in here are gonna get in line.
So 40 pesos round trip is $2, or it's $3 each way.
American.
American.
Yeah, or USD. So yeah, we're going to get a round trip.
They're supposed to give you a coupon to bring, or something, a ticket to get back. So we don't want to lose those.
So us three is going to be 120 pesos.
Hola, chicas. Sí, listo.
So where are we at, Crystal?
We're on a boat
Heading where?
to a place.
Called?
Stone Island.
If not, we got on the wrong boat. Who knows where we're going?
I don't know.
There it goes. Now this ferry, or what they call a water taxi, is only about a 5-minute ride from dock to dock. It's about a half a mile, and it goes really quick.
Okay. Over there is the panorama. They're not too far away.
Isla de la Piedra, or for us tourists known as Stone Island, is a popular beach destination in which we're excited to go to. It's known for its tranquil atmosphere and a family-friendly environment. As you might be noticing, it's a pretty easy accessible beach. Now as we head off to this island, well, it's really a peninsula, there's a range of activities including swimming, water sports, and of course dining at local beachside restaurants. Our plan for the day is head over and walk around on the beach and have a fresh seafood lunch.
So we're getting off here on Stone Island. Just got off the little ferry. Should be something fun. Kind of windy out here. Off the ferry. Just turn around here. Just follow this yellow building. Just says Playa Beach. There's an arrow going that direction. But everybody went through here, right to the beach. So that's the way we're going to go.
Now this is what I'm talking about. No crowds and miles of beach. You can find a private place or just spend your time right here with everybody else. Whatever you want to do, you can do it here on Stone Island. Wow. Now this is a refreshing way to start a beach day. Now here's a pro tip. Most of these beachfront restaurants will let you use their chairs and umbrellas for free as long as you order something. And trust me, you're gonna want to.
It's pretty.
Feeling adventurous? Well, you can ride a horse along the beach. Just kick back and sit around. Ride a banana boat if you dare. Fly a kite, even just kick a ball around. And for those that aren't quite adventurous, sit around and watch the waves. Now, I'll give you one guess what option I picked. Stone Island, chill vibes, plenty of room to just relax, great food. I tell ya, if you're coming to Mazatlán, this place is a must.
You're back.
So we're here to get some ceviche and maybe some red snapper.
The girls, they have a big decision here. Do they want the shrimp or the special ceviche? They went for the ceviche especial.
Oh, thank you. More chips.
So Terry, what do you think about the ceviche?
It is really good. There's a little bit of heat on the back end of it. good. I need salt, but they're good chips. These are really crispy.
The spicy fish.
Devil, what is it? Devil's fish? It's
Devil
spicy.
fish.
Ah, spicy.
Supposed to be spicy. What a failure. Okay, this may not be sea bass. A little bit of lettuce in there, a tomato, a bit of rice, some guacamole. There it is. Here we go. Oh, that's really good.
This right here is worth the walk and the boat ride alone.
Oh my God, it's nice.
I'll take
beautiful.
this one. I'll take this one.
It's beautiful. It's nice.
Take a look at it here.
It's bonita.
As you head back to the ferry, you know what I love about Stone Island? The local charm, the feel of Mexico, and certainly the friendly people here.
Stone Island, you got my vote for the best beach here in Mazatlán. Great food, perfect sand, and that perfect vibe. I'll definitely be back.
Now, if you want to take home a free souvenir, just take back that sand in your shoes.
After a long day and your legs a little bit tired, you can take a taxi back to the port. But this being a cheap excursion, we're going to go ahead and hoof it.
As we're following Terry and Scorchy, we're just going to follow this white wall until we get to the cruise port entrance. The straight shot from the ferry back to the port entrance. And if you see right in front of me, there's a few little stores. But when you get into the port area, you can buy some trinkets there. And of course, that's where you can pick up that trolley that'll take you back to the ship.
Welcome to the Mercado Mazatlán, amigos. No sé cómo empezó, mas hoy te amo. De grande un gran sufrimiento vino mi amor. Yo sé lo que es tormenta, venido del sentimiento, y ahora se regocija mi corazón. Como esto se fue escribiendo día tras día, tal vez en la hipocresía del gran amor.
Are you guys ready to go back to the ship?
Let's go.
There we go!
Now, as we head back to the ship here, let's go ahead and break down what the excursion costs it per person. $1 for a soda at Oxxo, just over $2 for the water taxi, an average around $16 for lunch. That included the drink, the bathroom, the beach chairs, and of course, the tip. And that's it. We did bring a couple of water bottles from the ship, but it was under $20 per person. Yeah, and that was for an all-day excursion. And to sum it all up, This was a great family day at the beach.
Wow, it sure been fun today. You know, going to Stone Island. We appreciate everybody for joining us today. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give me 2 thumbs up. Because this is George the Fearless Rambler, ready to head off to the next port. Signing off.